Okay, this is for Unit 8 Worksheet 2, and this is supposed to be an energy pie chart worksheet, but I'm turning it into data tables, so it is something that you can manipulate for the purposes. So when we take a look at it, we already understand our system, and with that idea that energy should not go in and out of our system. What's in our system should remain in there. We are going to carefully label our types of energy. And if you need help with the types of energy, you can go back to the day by day up on top. I have them listed there for you. And you can, if you want to write them down somewhere, I'm not going to ever hide them from you. If we were in school, I would have them on the board for you to look at. And think about how is the energy stored at each point. We are going to have a column for each bunny as we go. And the percentages should show the trends and tell your story as you see it. And I will do some practice ones here for you. So number one, a wind-up toy is fully wound at rest. So the type of energy, I'm going to say that it has elastic energy, EL. And seeing the only thing that it's doing is sitting there and it's wound up, I'm going to call it 100%. And I guess you can do the percent if you want. And I'm making the assumption that it's going to be moving because it said it was at rest. So I'm going to say kinetic energy and 0%. And you wouldn't have to, but looking ahead, we can kind of see the trend. So number two is a toy is wound up and is moving at a constant up and incline, up, and that's not worded very right. Oh, there it is. There's my problem. I'm sorry. I had to move my diagram. The toy is wound up and is moving at a constant speed up an incline. Now, for it to be moving at a constant speed, what that's telling us is we don't have to add kinetic energy into it. If the kinetic energy was going up, we could put it in there. But seeing it's at a constant speed, we really don't have to. So the type of energy that we have is it's wound up. So seeing it's wound up, we are going to have some elastic. And you're going to want to do kinetic, but I won't. It's going up. And seeing it's going up, that's going to give us some gravitational. And just those two things I would be okay with, because that will tell the story that the energy is transferring from elastic to gravitational. This is where some of you are going to want to put in EDIS or internal, ENT. But I won't. If you want to, you can, but I won't. It's just going to complicate things. So our first one, it's moving at a constant speed. So I'm going to say that at the very beginning, it's 100% elastic and it is on the ground. Now, some of you might disagree with that, and you might want to say that it's already moving up the hill. So we are at 90%, and our gravitational then needs to be at 1%. And if you want to put in the percentages, you can. But as we go, have the elastic and the gravitational, have your percentages tell the story as it goes. And once again, when you see things that are at a constant speed, this got all mixed up, at a constant speed, I would not put them in. I would not put kinetic energy in if the speed stays the same. So if you have any questions, give me an email, reach out, touch me, talk to me. Have a great day.